So today we're going to be learning how to download and install RStudio for Windows, Mac and Linux. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to head over to rstudio.com. So if you Google search RStudio, it should be the first hit. Once we're on rstudio.com, we need to hit download RStudio up here. This will take us to this page. Now you'll notice that there's actually 5 different versions of RStudio. For the purpose of a Jumping Rivers training course, we want the free RStudio desktop. So if we click download on the very far left, this will take us to a bunch of links. Now, what each one of these links is an installer for a different operating system. So the first one is a installer for Windows, the second for Mac, and then the 3 after that are for Linux, Ubuntu, and Debian. Now, if I was on Windows, for instance, what I would do is I'd click this link, and this would download a file. Now, when I opened that file, it would run an installer on my machine, and I just have to follow the instructions in the installer to install RStudio.